I was when I was filing my nomination, my opposition, who is a three-time MLA, so he said, "नया छोकरा है, क्या ही कर लेगा, बेटा राजनीति का गणित इतना आसान नहीं है. It's very perplex. You will not understand things." So I said, "Okay, ठीक है, no problem, but I'll try." So I'm the first MLA in my constituency who have covered all the villages. More than 120 villages I have covered all. I barely have 2 or 3 villages left. There are 50, 60 villages where no MLAs, no village panchayat or members have gone there. We call it chairperson, village chairperson. So I have covered all the villages, and I know that what the hardship is. I have seen poverty. I have seen the scarcity of water, no roads, and this is why I inspire people in my state also, that you become the stakeholders. Tomorrow I may not be an MLA, someone better than me will come, he will win. But what if the system is not changed? The youth will be frustrated. I'm telling you, especially to all the youths. You will pass out from here, you will go to a different institute, you will be a good bureaucrats. But once you return to the state, or once you know that the system is failing, the system is not right, then you will be frustrated for the rest of your life. So we need to change the system. We need to correct the system. Yes, of course, we have to learn from our leaders, and we still learning from our leaders. But what if they don't leave the chair? We have to make them understand that your time is over. Someone is 72, someone is 73, they still want to contest elections. We are not barring them from contesting elections, but we as a youth, I question myself also that why my MLA is not visiting my constituency in last 15 years. Then I see maybe he wanted to visit, but because he's old, that is the reason he cannot visit as much as I am doing. So this is why I tell to all the youths to participate in the healthy democracy, because we are in the system where bureaucrats, politicians, and all the other sections of people are not aligning together. This is the reason many gapings are between us.